Hello boys and girls, welcome to the Math Club. In this video, we're going to talk about similar triangles and how to answer questions regarding similar triangles. Question 8. Calculate the height of the Eiffel Tower using similar triangles. Now as you can see here, we have the Eiffel Tower here, and the Eiffel Tower is the same length as this line. So we need to find this line to find the length of the Eiffel Tower. Now, when a question like this comes to you, the first step you do is what? You have to separate the shapes. We have a small triangle here and a large triangle here, and they are on top of each other. Now, let's separate the shapes and then start answering the question. First thing, let's draw the small triangle here. Let's make it here. Now, this is the small triangle, and the small triangle has 2 meters on this side and 3 meters on the base. Now, we're going to write them here using a different color. We're going to put 3 here and 2 here. Now, let's draw the large triangle, or the big one. We'll make it like this. Okay, now, let's take a look at the lengths. Here, this is the Eiffel Tower, so we don't know what is it. So we're gonna write E for Eiffel Tower here. We're gonna write E here. So we're going to work this length out. And the other one, we have 477 from here till here. But as you can see here, this is not the whole length of the triangle or the base of the triangle. We need the whole length of the base of the triangle. We can't say this is 477 because 477 is from here till here only. But we need the full length of the base of the triangle. So we add 477 with 3 meters. So 477 plus 3 equals 480. So we're going to take 480 and put it here. 480. Good job. Now, after finding the base of the triangle, now we're going to work out the length of E. Let's find the length of E together. The first step we did it in which we separated the triangles. After separating the triangles, we're going to work out the length of E. And how do we do this? By finding the scale factor of enlargement. Now, the scale factor of enlargement, how do we find it between two triangles? Very good. We take two sides or two corresponding sides. And corresponding means they are the same but on different triangles. So we take two corresponding sides and we divide them on each other. We divide the big number on the small number. So they have to be corresponding. And as I said, corresponding sides means the same sides on different triangles. So we take 480, and we divide it by 3. We divide it by 3 to find the scale factor. Now, let's use the calculator to find the answer of 480 divide 3, and then come back. 480 divide 3 equals 160. Now, let's go back. So the answer is 160. So the scale of enlargement is 160. We're going to use this scale to find E. And how do we do this? Now, E is bigger than this side. And because we want to find the big side, we have to multiply by the scale factor. But if we're trying to find the small side, we have to divide by the scale factor. This is a fact you have to know. To find the big side, we multiply by the scale factor. And to find the small side, we divide by the scale factor. Now here, E is the big side. So we take 160 and we multiply it by 2 to find E. So 160 multiplied by 2 equals... Let's use the calculator and then come back. 160 multiplied by 2 equals 320. Now, let's go back. So the answer is 320. So Eiffel Tower is 320 meters. And this is how you answer a question like this. So the first step we did is separating the triangles. And after separating, we're going to label them with the lengths of the sides. And we labeled the Eiffel Tower with E. And then we found the scale of enlargement by dividing two corresponding sides. And corresponding means what? It means the same sides on different triangles. After finding the scale, we took the scale and we multiplied it by 2. Why did we multiply? Because 2 is the small side and we're trying to find the big side or the large side. To find the big side, we multiply by the scale factor. But to find the small side, we divide on the scale factor. And the answer was 320 meters. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.